Welcome to the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast.
Hello everyone, this is Jarvis S. Scott with What's Happening Birmingham. I am back again with Latrice Slade and Jamal Pumphrey of Slade. And in this segment, we're going to discuss your cleaning services that you do to help, businesses and homes due to COVID-19. So Latrice, kind of tell us a little about this new exciting service your company is offering.
Well, I wanted you to know about our service, Jarvis. Our phone has been ringing off the hook mainly because we have actually been trying to do more cleaning related to COVID-19. So if your office has an issue with people coming back or people who have tested positive for COVID-19 and people are worried about the office environment, we can come in and actually do your cleaning for you, as well as doing a clearance test that we send to a laboratory to verify that COVID-19 is no longer on the desk or the door or some kind of touch surface. So as you know, in the office space, there are high touch points. And so one of the things that we offer is, first of all, cleaning with some type of cleanser, right? A lot of people think that you can just wipe things down with warm water and everything is good. Well, there's several layers to cleaning. One is the cleaning, solution that you decide to use. Two, you can use a sanitizer. Then you can use a disinfectant. And then you can use a herbicide. Now, once you do those different layers, then you can do the COVID-19, basically as a swab test to determine if it's still present or not. But when you do the cleaning, there are EPA and CDC mandates for the different kind of cleaning supplies that you use. We have those type of cleaning supplies. What you need to make sure of is if you're going to use the disinfectant or the sanitizer, you want to make sure that it stays on that surface for a certain amount of time. That product will tell you if it's 5 minutes, if it's 10 minutes, 12 minutes. It will also give you the format for how much solution that you should use for a certain square foot area for cleaning, so that you can mathematically figure out how much cleaner do you need to actually properly clean. The reason why we want people to know and understand this is because we don't want people to be unsafe, to think that, if I just buy some Lysol, I'm good. Disinfectants can kill germs. Basically that's great, for like 99.9%. You can also use sanitizer to clean as well, but when you have them together, it's more effective. So what we do is we go out and we provide the cleaning service. We have the protective equipment that we wear. We have respirators. We have the full face mask. We have gloves. We have goggles as well that we wear. We have appropriate cleaning material that we feel is the best practice. We actually can also help clients with making sure that once this is done, we can provide them a document with the lab results, so they'll be able to see the results for themselves.
So since you've been offering, this new service, how many times do you recommend that businesses clean their office space with the special COVID-19?
I think as necessary. We basically are trying to provide peace of mind to people. So when they come into the work environment, they know that if there were any cases there previously, that it has been cleaned. And we want to make sure we target high touch point areas. In our office space, it may be the door, the computer, the mouse, the table, filing cabinets, things like that are really, really areas that people touch every day and not think about it. And so we want to make sure that we target those areas during our cleaning process.
Okay. For those of you, I always trying to get into my viewers. Most people think, well, I just use Lysol and it has coronavirus on it, and I'll just spray it all over the place and that'll clean up, or like what you were talking about, Clorox.
Mm-hmm.
Clorox kills everything. So how you tell businesses that, and like you said, like you broke down the different ones?
Right. Well, sanitizers remove 99% of the germs, but I guess disinfectants kill organisms.
Oh, wow, okay.
Germs versus organisms.
Okay.
So when we start talking about that, those are two different things, right?
Yeah.
So we want to make sure that we clean everything.
Okay.
And you want to make sure, even at the end, you want to go back with the disinfectant after all of this, just to wipe it down one more time. before you would do that swab analysis. So we do a lot of environmental testing already. We already do asbestos, lead, mold testing. And so for us, this is just another step of inspection services that we can provide, as well as the cleaning services or abatement services. So we just wanted the community to know that we want to make the community as safe as possible. We are also selling PPE materials. If you want to buy large quantities in bulk, we can help you with that, or smaller quantities. We also are looking at being able to be an educator, if you will. We actually are licensed general contractors as well. We can come and help make your work environment more safe by maybe installing cubicles, or if there's a need for plexiglass for some of the retail stores, we can also install that. So we've gotten really creative with our contracting skills to look at how do we do social distancing in the office space.
All right, I know y'all probably sitting there thinking too, like they're so close next to each other. They have been checked. I know people was like, they're not doing social distancing. They're talking about cleaning. They've been checked, trust me, both of them. So,
thank you.
And they got to fit in my camera too, y'all. Y'all know I ain't got no wide camera. Come on now. So Latrice, if they would like to contact you, individual businesses, what's the contact number?
Yes, we can be reached at info@Slade, which is SLADE LLC.com, or you can call us at 866-925-5742.
All right, well, Latrice, thank you. Jamal, you all stay tuned. We're going to do another segment on all these great products that they are selling. So thank you all for watching, and check out what'shappenedbirmingham.com for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank y'all again, and check out next segment. Bye.
Thank you for watching the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast. Please check out our website, app, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos today.